Hi child, how are you? Going well? Okay, what about our previous class? Yes, we saw a beautiful place surrounded by water. And what do we call such place? Very good, island, you know that. Then we saw that island and I told you there were so many people living in that island. And what more about I told? They were unknown about so many things, including the very common ordinary things, just like our mirror, right? Yes. So, today we are going to know more about that island and the people of that island. Okay. And I think you are very curious to know more about them. Look at there. Yes, the same island, right? Yes. Now, here, how many people do you see? Yes, you can see only two people. Do you know them? Who are they? They are the fisherman and his wife. The fisherman and his wife. Okay? And what was the fisherman doing there? Yes, the fisherman was catching fish. And you can see his wife next to him. What was she doing? Yes, she was preparing food for them. She was cooking food for them. And what about their house? You can see their house there. What about their house? Is it a big one or small one? Yes, it's a small house. And what do you think, child? Had they used electricity? Had they used internet? Mobile phones? What about newspapers? Had they used any of those items? No, child. They had not used any items. They did not even see or hear about those items. And our fisherman and his wife was leading a quiet and simple life. They were leading a quiet and simple life. You got it, child? Yes. Now we can move on to next picture. What is that? Yes, that's a very big ship. A big ship is passing through the sea. And what else can you see on that picture? Any other people? Yes, you can see the sailors are throwing some things into the sea. And what are those things? Can you identify those items by watching this picture? Just closely watch it. Yes, you can see they are throwing broken buckets, then shoes, and what more? Toothbrushes. Yes? Yes. Now, what do you think? These people are throwing things into the sea and many people are watching it. And what do you think of the people of this island? How do they know more about the outside world? Because as I told you, these people were unknown about so many things. They were unknown about so many things. Then how would they get know about the outside world? We can know more about it. Now have a look at the next image. What do you see here, child? Yes, you can see the people, the islanders, including our fisherman and his wife were collecting the things thrown by the sailors. Why do they collect those things? Do you think of it? My dear child, you know one thing, that is the islanders, the people of that island comes to know more about the outside world only through the ships that pass by. Okay, they get the idea of outside world only through the ships that pass by. Now you tell me why they are collecting those things. We can know that those items were new to them. I told you these islanders were unaware about so many things. They are unknown about so many things. So when they came to see those items that came ashore, they were very much excited to watch those items, very much excited to see. So they collect those items. Okay, child? Now let's have a look at another image. What is that? Yes, who is that person? Can you guess who is that person? Is it our fisherman? Yes, it's our fisherman. And He was walking along the shore. He was walking along the shore and he was thinking of something. What might be he thinking? Let's listen.
Oh, my father, how loving you were. Can I see you again? I can't believe that you are dead. I really miss you, my father.
Okay, child. Now, what happened to our fisherman? Yes, unfortunately, he lost his father. His father is no more, he is dead. And he was having that much sorrow in his mind, and he was walking along the shore, and suddenly something strange happened. Don't you want to know what is it? Look at here. Yes, you can see our fisherman happened to see something on the sand. What was it? Look at here, child. Yes, you know that it's a plain, shining one. What is that? Yes, you know, it's a mirror. But our fisherman did not know that. He did not know that it's a mirror. Right? Yes. Then what did he do with it? Let's see. Yes, our fisherman just go near it and he just picked it up and looked at it. He just picked it up and looked at it. Then what happened to him? What can he see in that mirror? Yes, you know that. He could see his own face on that mirror. And the fisherman get really afraid of that scene. Because you know, child, our fisherman did not see such a thing in his life. He was unaware of such a thing. And let's see what happened then. Oh, look at our fisherman. He was that much scared and he just threw it away. He just threw the mirror away. Then, did he go back to his house? Let's see. No, child, he did not go back to his house. Even though he was scared, even though he was that much afraid to see that new thing, he was anxious also. He was excited also. He wanted to know more about that thing. So he again picked it up and looked at it. Now also, what did he see in that mirror? Yes, he saw his own face in that mirror and he was actually surprised. He was actually shocked to see that face. He had not seen such a thing in his life, and when he looked into that mirror, he could see his own face. But, dear child, our fisherman did not know that it was his own face. He thought an interesting thing. He thought that it was his father's picture. He thought that it was his father's picture because our fisherman did not see anywhere his own face. And you know, he was very much worried about that great loss. His father died recently and he thanked to God for that. He thought that it was the same picture of his father was given by the God to him. And what happened then? He tried to speak to his father. He tried to speak to his father. But he became sad. Why? Because his father's lips only moved. He did not speak back to him. His father's lips only moved. But still, he was happy that he got the picture of his father. And then, what would be his plan next? Let's see. Here, look dear child, you can see here our fisherman is walking to somewhere. Can you say to where did he walk? Yes, he was walking to his house, right? Yes. Now, can you just think of the situation? What would happen later? Just imagine what may be the thoughts in our fisherman's mind. Now he has got something new that he had not seen before. Now he thought that it was his father's picture and he was now walking to his home. Would he tell everything to his wife? His wife was also there at his home. You remember? Yes. So, would he tell everything to his wife? Then what would be the reaction of his wife? Would she be able to know that it's not the picture, it's a mirror? No, we know that The islanders are unaware about so many things. So dear child, you can now just go to the let's write icon and try to write the thoughts of our fisherman. Now, I think we can come to an end to this class. See you later.
NCLAPS, Kerala's biggest educational research hub. Download today.